Ever walk through a grocery store and marvel at the mountain of perfect produce? Row after row of vibrant colors, crisp textures, and flawless shapes, each apple polished, every lettuce leaf unblemished. It almost feels like magic, as if these fruits and vegetables simply appeared overnight, ready for you to take home. Apples, tomatoes, oranges, lettuce, endless, fresh, and ready to eat. The sheer abundance is staggering, and it's easy to take for granted the effort it takes to keep these shelves stocked day after day, season after season. But have you ever wondered how it all gets there? How does a tomato grown hundreds or even thousands of miles away end up in your salad, still ripe and delicious? Billions of pounds of fruits and vegetables delivered daily, everywhere. Behind the scenes, a vast network of warehouses, trucks, and workers moves produce across the country at lightning speed, ensuring freshness and quality. It's not magic. It's the work of an unseen army and a staggering amount of science. From the hands that pick each fruit to the researchers developing hardier crops, every step is carefully orchestrated. Today's farms are high-tech operations, blending old-fashioned grit with cutting-edge innovation. GPS-guided tractors, drones monitoring crop health, and data-driven decisions are now as common as muddy boots and sun hats. Behind every grape and stalk of broccoli is a story of logistics, technology, and hard labor. Each harvest is a race against time, weather, and nature's unpredictability. We see the final product but miss the journey. Satellites, robots, and scientists all play a part. From space, satellites track rainfall and soil health. In greenhouses, robots tend to delicate seedlings. In labs, scientists analyze plant DNA to breed crops that resist disease and thrive in changing climates. Think of California's Central Valley or Florida's endless fields. This is industrial-scale farming. These regions feed millions, their vast landscapes a patchwork of crops stretching to the horizon. The goal? Grow more food, on less land with less water, and deliver it fresher than ever. Innovations like drip irrigation and high-yield seeds help farmers meet the demands of a growing population while protecting precious resources. It's a race against weather, pests, and time, using every tool available. Farmers rely on real-time weather data, advanced pest control, and powerful machines to bring in the harvest before disaster strikes. So next time you grab a head of lettuce, remember, it's not just a vegetable. It's the end result of a journey that spans continents, technologies, and countless hours of human effort. It's the result of a massive, coordinated effort. Brilliant minds, powerful machines, and hard-working hands. Every bite you take connects you to this invisible network of people and technology. This is the story of how America feeds itself, a story most of us never see. It's a tale of innovation, resilience, and teamwork on a national scale. Let's pull back the curtain and explore the fascinating business of growing your food, because behind every salad, there's an unseen army making it all possible. Forget the old image of a lone farmer on a rusty tractor, toiling away from dawn until dusk. For generations, this was the face of agriculture. Hard work, sweat, and a deep connection to the land. But the world of farming has changed dramatically. Today's farms stretch for miles, managed with technology that would have seemed like pure science fiction just a few decades ago. Fields that once required dozens of workers are now overseen by a handful of people, thanks to a revolution in automation and connectivity. High above, satellites orbit the Earth, mapping every inch of farmland in astonishing detail. They track soil moisture, plant health, and even predict weather patterns, providing farmers with a constant stream of vital information. This data is sent directly to fleets of autonomous tractors, machines that drive themselves, guided by GPS signals accurate to within an inch. These tractors don't just follow a path, they adapt in real time to changing conditions in the field. Day or night, rain or shine, these machines plant seeds, fertilize crops, and till the soil with incredible precision. They work tirelessly, never needing a break, and can operate around the clock to maximize productivity. Advanced sensors on every piece of equipment collect real-time data, measuring everything from soil nutrients to plant growth. This creates a digital twin of the entire farm, allowing for unprecedented insight and control. Farmers now monitor their fields from computer screens or even smartphones, making informed decisions instantly. They can adjust planting patterns, irrigation, and fertilizer use with just a few taps. Drones and sensors spot problems like pests or disease long before they become disasters. Early detection means quick solutions, saving crops and resources. This is the era of precision agriculture. One skilled operator can now manage what once took an entire team, overseeing vast operations with the help of smart machines and data analytics. water and fertilizer are delivered only where and when they're needed, reducing waste and protecting the environment. Every drop and every grain is accounted for. Most shoppers have no idea this quiet revolution is happening. The food on their tables is grown with technology that's invisible to the naked eye, but it's transforming agriculture behind the scenes. Today, a farmer's most powerful tools aren't just tractors and plows, they're satellites, GPS and computers, all working together to feed the world more efficiently than ever before. Welcome to the age of smart farming, where innovation and tradition meet to shape the future of food. Before seeds hit the soil, their story starts in a high-tech lab. Scientists design crops for taste, resilience and shelf life, using DNA analysis to select the best traits. It's not about frankenfood, it's about speeding up nature's process to create better plants. AI now predicts which genetic combinations will thrive, saving years of trial and error. The result? Crops that need less water, resist disease, and taste better. Farmers get reliable harvests, consumers get fresher, tastier produce. That perfect apple or strawberry is the product of years of research and innovation. The science behind your food starts long before the farm. Despite all the technology and automation we see in modern agriculture, there are still countless jobs that simply can't be done by machines alone. Some tasks require a level of care, intuition, and sensitivity that only humans can provide. The fields may be filled with advanced equipment, but the human touch remains irreplaceable. Machines can't pick a perfectly ripe strawberry or gently harvest peaches. Skilled hands are irreplaceable. Each fruit is unique, and only a person can feel the subtle difference between ripe and unripe, or spot a bruise that a sensor might miss. The delicate process of harvesting requires judgment, patience, and a gentle touch. Farm workers make thousands of split-second decisions every day, doing back-breaking work under the hot sun. They move quickly, yet carefully, to ensure each crop is handled with care. Their stamina and resilience are unmatched, and their expertise is built on years of experience in the field. They're the backbone of the produce industry, ensuring quality and freshness. Every box of fruit that reaches our tables has been carefully sorted and inspected by skilled workers who take pride in their craft. Their attention to detail is what keeps our food safe and delicious. Technology is here to help, not replace. Think exoskeletons to ease strain, or smart carts to carry heavy loads. These innovations are designed to support workers, making their jobs safer and more efficient, not to take their place. Machines can handle the heavy lifting, but people still guide the process. Augmented reality glasses can help spot ripe fruit, making the job safer and more efficient. With wearable technology, workers can access real-time information, improving accuracy and reducing mistakes. These tools empower people to do their best work. The future is a partnership. Robots handle the heavy lifting, humans provide judgment and dexterity. By working together, people and machines can achieve more than either could alone. Collaboration is the key to progress in agriculture. This collaboration keeps quality high and improves working conditions. It allows workers to focus on what they do best, while technology takes care of repetitive or dangerous tasks. The result is a safer, more productive, and more sustainable farm. As we celebrate innovation, let's not forget the essential role of human hands. Behind every harvest, there are stories of dedication, skill, and care. The people in the fields are the true stewards of our food. The harvest depends on both people and machines. It's a team effort, blending tradition with technology to feed the world. The heart of farming is still human. No matter how advanced our tools become, it's the people who bring the harvest to life. Once produce is picked, the clock starts ticking. The cold chain, a temperature-controlled supply line, keeps food fresh from field to store. Pre-cooling units chill crops within minutes of harvest, slowing decay. Refrigerated trucks, monitored by sensors, maintain perfect conditions for every type of produce. Packaging is high-tech too. Modified atmospheres and special materials extend shelf life. Every step from truck to supermarket is engineered to preserve freshness. Without this invisible system, grocery stores would be empty of fresh food. The cold chain is the unsung hero of modern agriculture. It's why strawberries picked in California arrive fresh in New York. That flawless strawberry comes with hidden costs. Industrial farming uses massive amounts of water, often faster than nature can replace. Intensive practices degrade soil, threatening future harvests and causing erosion. Heavy pesticide use protects crops but pollutes water and reduces biodiversity. Monoculture fields are vulnerable to pests and disease, leading to more chemical use. The good news: farmers are adopting smarter irrigation, no-till farming, and integrated pest management. The shift is slow, but there's growing awareness that long-term land health matters. Sustainable farming is becoming a priority. What if farms grew up instead of out? Vertical farming stacks crops in climate-controlled buildings, often in cities. These farms use up to 95% less water, no pesticides, and grow food year-round. Hydroponics and aquaponics create closed-loop systems. Plants and fish thrive together, recycling nutrients. LED lights in perfect climates mean no weather worries. Food is grown closer to where it's eaten, slashing transport emissions and boosting freshness. Imagine farms on grocery store roofs or in shipping containers down the street. While still new and costly, these innovations point to a more local, sustainable future. Vertical farms and aquaponics are changing where and how we grow food. The future of farming may be right next door. The next wave of ag tech is here. Drones and robots are transforming the field. Drones scan crops with multispectral cameras, spotting problems invisible to the eye. They target pests or nutrient issues with pinpoint accuracy, reducing chemical use. Some drones release beneficial insects or even help with pollination. On the ground, robots pull weeds, carry loads, and assist with delicate harvesting. The goal: automate the toughest jobs, letting humans focus on what machines can't do. Precision farming means every plant gets exactly what it needs, maximizing yield and minimizing waste. It's a high-tech, sustainable vision for the future of food. From satellites to soil microbes, growing our food is a complex dance of nature and technology. The challenge: feed billions more people with less land and water. The answer isn't choosing between tech and tradition. It's using every tool we have. Precision agriculture helps us grow more with less, while protecting the planet. We must rebuild soil health, conserve water, and honor the people who do the work. Farmers, scientists, engineers, and workers are all vital to this mission. That apple or lettuce is a symbol of human ingenuity and resilience. The path forward blends wisdom of the past with technology of the future. Together we can build a food system that nourishes both people and planet. Feeding the future is a job we all share.